What happens when BMW revives one of its most legendary nameplates with modern engineering? You get the 2026 R100, and it's absolutely stunning. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're exploring a motorcycle that perfectly blends heritage with cutting-edge innovation, the all-new 2026 BMW R100. Design. Starting with design, BMW has honored the classic R100 silhouette while adding refined modern touches. The iconic Boxer engine remains the visual centerpiece. Clean lines, retro-inspired curves, and premium finishes create timeless appeal. Brushed aluminum accents and quality materials feel sophisticated throughout. Performance delivers exactly what you'd hope for. The updated Boxer twin produces smooth, consistent power with impressive reliability. Throttle response feels crisp and predictable. The balanced chassis makes city commutes and long highway cruises equally enjoyable. Handling remains intuitive through tight corners and sweeping bends alike. Features and technology. Technology integrates seamlessly without compromising the classic aesthetic. Multiple ride modes, refined ABS, and traction control come standard. A discrete display provides essential data without overwhelming the vintage character. Keyless ignition and smartphone connectivity add welcomed modern convenience. Conclusion. The 2026 BMW R100 proves heritage and innovation can coexist beautifully, a true modern classic worth experiencing. What do you think about this revival? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and share it with fellow riders. And subscribe to Next Gen Reviews so you never miss our latest content. Thanks for watching.